Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How's everybody doing? So today's video is going to be a watch me work. I already went ahead and applied the acrylic, did her fill-in, shaped, buffed, and whatnot. So now I am getting ready to do her nails. So as far as the design today, she's actually going to be in a wedding. And with that wedding, she is wearing black. So I know, right? A little different than what it has been. You know, traditionally everybody wears white and then a pop of color or whatever. But I have to do her nails in black and white. And then she wanted red for a pop of color. So we ended up doing some hearts from a stamping plate. So now what I'm doing is just, of course, cleaning up the cuticle area, just in case you get some on the skin or a little bit close to the cuticle. I'm just going ahead and clearing that up. And so I'm also taking like this abstract design off of one of my stamping plates, and I am applying that to her nail. I'm using black, white, and red stamping polish. I do know that I did get a question about why can't we use regular polish to do stamps. So of course you can, but to me, I just found it that it doesn't pick up as easy as stamping polish does. The only brand that I do know that works really well with the stamping is OPI. Their colors are a little bit more pigment, and I think it picks up a little bit better. So I have tried those, but like I said, OPI is probably one of the brands that I would recommend as a stamping polish. But other than that, I don't really know in general what other like name brand polishes like Essie or LA Colors, Ruby Kisses, Sinful Colors. I don't really know if those work well with stamping. But the stamping polish that I do have is from Born Pretty, and I got that off of Amazon. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to add some bling on her thumbs. So I ended up doing a black V-shaped French tip, if you would say. I know French tips normally are white, but I went ahead and did her black, seeing as how, again, like I said, she's wearing black for the wedding. And I am just applying some AB crystals, or you could use Swarovski crystals. Whichever crystals you have, you could use and put them on the nail. And I use the bling gel that's to my right, that's actually in a tube, and I got that off of Amazon. So I ended up actually taking that big one off towards the end because it just didn't give me that perfect V that I was looking for. So I ended up replacing that big one with a small one. And then I have her to put that in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. And then I am going to apply top coat to all of the nails. Okay, so I am about to do a full bling nail, which is my favorite nail to do. So I'm applying my bling gel all over the nail, and then I'm going to apply my AB crystals randomly. I don't have two sizes next to each other unless they are the smaller ones. The bigger ones I kind of use to kind of make sure that the space is filled. And plus you want it to kind of look big and small and then medium. So just place some as close to each other as you can, but kind of make sure that you fill those gaps. You can also put like a bling or sparkle polish underneath just so you can fill those gaps, but that's the reason why I use the small ones as well. So you've seen me do this plenty of times, so I kind of fast forwarded to the final result, and that is a full bling nail. Fire! So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely love these nails. They're so different. I definitely love the heart nail, definitely the bling nail. Actually, I love the whole entire set. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you never miss another video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. And of course, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.